Hey, Bling Besties. It's Throwback Thursday, right? So let's take it all the way back to 2019 when I thought that Crown Crystals would be a wedding supply bling company. I was working so hard to create these beautiful pieces that you see. I was having so much fun, and these were really, really fulfilling things to make. I was attending vendor events and expos trying to get the word out. But I am a firm believer in whatever God has called you to do, He will allow certain doors to not open because He has something way greater. Now imagine being a wedding bling company versus being a rhinestone supply company now that supplies crystal glazed glue as well. I'm so grateful for the journey, and I'm just here to encourage you to keep going. Sparkle on, darling. Oh, in case you were wondering, yes, I did keep the bling case for myself. I now store my wedding shoes that I made for myself back in 2013 when I got married. Child, we'll do a whole nother post because you see those bling strips, Swarovski crystals, all kind of stuff just mixed in together. I didn't know what I was doing. Ciao now.